Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the Rust Call. Today, so sad that our Constantina is on PTO right now. So I'm sorry that you see my Asian face for today. I hope you don't mind. But well, we have a very special guest for today, which is the team from Web Compact, Sergio and Awana. And we're going to talk about the collaboration between us with them about the pilot for Web Combat. But before that, I hope you already fill out the name in the Etherpad and also give shout out if you have any. I think I have one shout out. Okie dokie. Also, in your name, add your favorite sport because it's Asian Games season here. So we want to know what's your favorite sport. Okie dokie. If anyone doesn't have any other shout out, I will just read it myself. So I have one for Abiram for being Rep of the Month of August. So congratulations, Abiram, for being Rep of the Month. He's pretty amazing. He's also a tech speaker. So congratulations. Okay, so let's just get down to our topic, the first topic about Web Compat pilot. So I will give the floor for Sergio and Oana to talk about the pilot of Web Compat pilot. So Sergio and Joanna, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Juana. I'm working on Web Compat project on Mike Tyler's team. Also, Sergio here is in the team, and we are from Sovision, Romania. Uh, we were invited here to talk a little about the project and about the experiment we want to start with anyone willing to help from the community. I will tell you few words about the project, and then Sergio will present the experiment to you. Well, we started working on Web Compat last year and performed different tasks like reporting web compatibility issues, triage them, and a few times even suggest solutions and diagnosing the web compatibility issues. What is web compatibility? This refers to the difference between browsers regarding layout, features, and content that work as expected in one browser but not in another. For example, you have misaligned buttons or cropped elements or feature that doesn't work, or video plays, audio doesn't play, things like that. And we usually test differences between Firefox Nightly and Chrome. And anyone interested in helping can do it in many ways, starting from reporting issues, triaging them, or diagnosing them, or even contacting the site owners to propose solutions and fixes. Also, for more information, you can visit the webcompat.com site and read the contributors page, or also contact us on IRC, Juana and Sergio, and we will help you with more info. Now I will let Sergio talk about the experiment. Thanks.
Thanks. So my name is Sergio. I'm with the Web Compat team at Mozilla for about 1.5 years as a contractor. So basically, this is the second round of pre-triage we are gonna do. The first one, we had two contractors that helped us a lot in understanding how the mechanic of mechanics of such an experiment would work. What we did is we scored 80 issues in 4 rounds before and after the pre-triage sessions, and then calculated the improvement percentage. This was about 20% improvement in on a global scale. So now we want to see how this scales with the first batch of about 100 issues and maybe 10 contributors involved. The pre-triage activity is not that difficult. Basically, it consists in adding missing information to a bug. We are talking here about adding a screenshot or the test environment, like the device name, device type, operating system, and application version. Steps to reproduce if there are any console errors, and for the more advanced participants, suggestions on how to fix the issue. I need to remind everyone that this is not a contest, so no awards will be handed out, and any contribution will be equally appreciated. All we need is a GitHub account because we are going to work in GitHub. It's a private repository where we can handle these 100 issues. They are not live, they are copied from our live environment. So we definitely need a GitHub account because I saw someone posted a question somewhere, I don't know where.
Yeah.
From our experience, not all the issues will be reproducible, so don't feel bummed if you get some of those. We already have 14 people registered and will soon end the registration period. I think together with Ritzi and Konstantina, we'll pick 10 people from those who registered and send them detailed instructions on how to pre-triage. For any further questions, we are on IRC. We are in Eastern Europe, just for the time point of view, and we answer all questions. If not on the spot, when we get to the office, we can take care of them. So, any other questions you might have, we're here.
So I see one question in the Etherpad. Is there gonna be selection process?
We don't know how this will work right now, but I think there will be a selection process after we review the applications.
Also, if things go well, we might do another process like this experiment, and the rest
Okay.
of the user might enter.
Okay, cool. I think I have one question from my side. Is there gonna be like timeline for this pilot? Like how long this pilot is gonna go?
Well, we usually time box each round of this experiment in about 1 week. But given the fact that it's PTO time right now in pretty much everywhere, I think we are gonna miss that 1 week time box, and maybe it will be 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know how we are gonna cope with them because the two of us will have to pre-grade those issues and then regrade after contributions have been made. So I don't think 1 week is going to be feasible, more like 2.
2. Okay.
And also it depends on the contribution time, on how fast they can manage to do those issues.
Mm-hmm. Like, is there any estimation like how many hours they need to kind of dedicate for this pilot? Any
Well, we thought of 10 contributors and 100 issues, so there's 10 issues per contributor.
mm-hmm.
I don't think it's more than 1 hour
Mm. Per
because it doesn't need extensive
mm-hmm.
investigations on those issues, and perhaps many of them will not be reproducible.
It might take longer if it has if the issue needs to have a country. So that's gonna take a little more than
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes or 10 minutes per issue.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Also, it's possible that we're gonna do more than one round of pre-triage.
Mm-hmm.
Last we did 4, I think, right? 4 rounds, yeah, with 2 people, with contributors.
Okie dokie. Do we have question in the room? Okie dokie. I don't think that there's any more question in the room. So thank you, Sergio and Oana, for taking the time and come to the Rep School. Hope you will go back here someday. So
It's
thank
been
you
our
so much.
pleasure. Thank you
Thank you.
for having us.
Yep. All right. Let's move on to the second topic, which is the council update. I think we have Irvin here. All right, Irvin, are you going to read the council update for us?
Yeah. Uh, first of all, we have a new red peers, Ankik, to join the race model with Joanna, Henrik, and Michael, and also there's the new document to indicate that the peers role and the council's accountability that we invite everybody to read it and to understand that what the peers are doing and what the councils are doing. Okay, and for the onboarding screening team, Bala will replace David Ross on onboarding screening team because David is just too busy. Is too busy until fall, and Henry is Daniele is working on a proposal to improve the mentor selection process, and I think the document will release to all reps soon. And for now, the draft proposal is released to mentor only, I think. And also, there are some mentors asking for the way to report a mentee who is not active anymore. And for now, we decided to wait until NDA renewal process yearly so that we can find out who is not active anymore. And for the rest of the console, we are working on the OKRs, which you can follow the process and you can follow the process on the GitHub issues. I think that's all.
Do we have something
Yeah,
else?
and another one is that we are going to remove race mentor mailing list soon. And after the mailing list removed, we will use Discourse to as a new like Discourse based mentor mailing list.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all.
So that's official now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Irvin, for the update. I don't see any other topic in the Etherpad. Let's see if we. Oh, actually, we have one more shout out for Ankit. I just added. So, Ankit, congratulations for being a new peer buddy. I think it's really a good addition to the peers buddy because we have one more Asian blood in the peers that is full of Europeans. So, congratulations. And let's see if we have something else. I don't think that we have something else. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here. And I guess see you all next week. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.